Okay, so let's start the last talk in this room beta. The talk is called CSI, Contrasts and Standards Investigations Entry Exam. And our speakers are Jeremy Hero and Emmanuel Brotelle. So let's give them big applause.
Thank you.
And let your exam begin.
A small introduction just before.
Just for waiting the last player.
Yo.
You can read now. No problem.
Hello, I'm Emmanuel. I've been with iMio for over 5 years to the Smart Web team, and I train and support our user in using the platform in Plone 6 Classic, and I try to make our seats easy and fun for everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy. I am a graphic designer and web integrator at iMio, which basically means I do coloring and cutting all day.
iMio is a public intercommunal organization, a cooperative that brings together several towns to design and share IT solutions for local authorities.
We regularly improve our website to make them accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities. We also worked a lot on new development in Plone 6 Classic to meet our members' needs.
And we learned a lot from this work, and we wanted to share it in a fun way with a game, with a quiz. It's play fun, and it's even hides our English accent.
Waiting for applause.
And now, we don't speak a lot because we are very bad in English, and we will do a game.
Scan to join and enjoy the game.
Exactly, you have a QR code. You can scan the QR code with your smartphone. And normally, if the game works, your name will be there. You can choose or username from GitHub or a name you can choose. Okay. Normally, there is. Okay. Is it okay for everybody? Yes, 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 yes. Everybody is there? Yes, no problem. Okay. I'm waiting 10 seconds. It's okay. Okay. We will start the game. Okay, let's go with the first question.
What is the best practice for bullet list in web accessibility? Both are correct. The text on the left, the text on the right. Impossible to know without checking the code or testing with screen reader.
It's time. Okay. André, Benoît Lebart, no, okay. And the correct answer, impossible to know without checking the code or testing with a screen. It was D, because visually it's identical, only the HTML structure counts in accessibility. Next question.
How many buttons are no accessible? 0, 1, 2, 3.
Five seconds. Okay, it was only one because the contrast color is too low for one answer. It was this one. It's only 2.7 there. It's not accessible. We need minimum 4.5 for to be accessible with the contrast. Next question.
Why add alternative text to an image to make the page load faster, so that search engine in your read to make the image bigger, so screen reader can describe the image?
Five seconds. And the correct answer it was so screen readers can describe the image. It is ideal for describing a photo because it allows people who cannot see the image, such as those using screen reader to understand its content.
Noise. Which element makes a long paragraph easier to read? Centered, justified, left aligned, right aligned. We can skip.
3 seconds. And the correct answer is left aligned. It can create irregular space between words, which makes reading more difficult for people with dyslexia or certain visual impairments. For the moment, Jim Biscuit is the first.
Right.
Bravo,
Yeah.
Jim Biscuit. There are 100 questions.
What is the best practice when a link opens a new window or tab? Tell the user with the title attribute or visual indicator, hide the information from a screen reader, make all links open in a print mode, add a special SEO keyword in the URL. In French.
Three seconds. And the correct answer is tell the user with a title attribute or a visual indicator. Yes, just here we put this information when the user click on the link. It's better and it's better.
It was an abbreviation. What is a good practice to make a filter or menu accessible by keyword? Use a special keyword shortcut only advanced user. Make sure the user can navigate with the tab key and activate with enter space. Hide a menu from screen reader. Add a script that automatically simulates a mouse click.
And the correct answer is make sure to user can navigate with the tab key and activate with enter or space. Tab navigation lets user without a mouse move throughout elements logically, and enter or space allows full interaction, making menus and filters accessible.
Next question. How can you improve the accessibility of a video embedded with an iframe? Add a title attribute to describe the source. Force autoplay with sound on. Remove the control to make the experience simpler. Add an hidden link to unrelated externalities.
And the correct answer is add a title attribute that describes the source or content. A descriptive title lets screen reader user know what's the embedded video. It's about improving accessibility.
Why is it important to include the legal notice, accessibility information, and copyright in the footer? To meet the legal requirements and ensure quick access to essential information, to prevent the site from being blocked by ad blocker, to let users navigate without using the search bar, to reduce the number of page views and simplify statistics. On a vu la réponse.
And the correct answer is to meet legal requirements and ensure quick access to essential information. The footer keeps legal and accessibility info visible on all pages, making it easy to find and meeting regulations.
On va peut-être prévenir aussi qu'il y a un cadeau après. Next question. What is the best practice to make a consent button accessible? Give them a clear area label description of the action. Hide the decline button to avoid confusion. Only add a high contrast color without text. Remove the buttons after a short delay.
And the correct answer, give them a clear area label describing the action. You can see just the area label just there in the input.
What is the best practice to make a carousel accessible? Let the slide scroll automatically to attract attention. Make the slider scroll automatically but very slowly. Add the sound of animation to signal each change. Disable automatically scroll and allow navigation only with arrow or control button.
Okay, and the correct answer is disable automatic scrolling and allow navigation only with arrow or control. Allowing movement only when users clicks arrow or buttons give them full control and makes the slider accessible.
What is the best practice to make a language selector accessible? Show only abbreviation, use only flags, show language names in English only, indicate language with a title or area label in the visitor language.
And the correct answer is indicates languages with a title or area label in the visitor's language.
Non? Ouais. Oops. How should content be structured to make it accessible? Make all heading in bold and 18 pixel. Use a logical hierarchy with H1 to H6. Write ending in all caps for emphasis. Use images of text for heading. Viens en caméra après.
And the correct answer is use a logical hierarchy with H1 to H6. It was the last question.
Oh.
Nice. And we have a ranking, and the first one, Antoine, Chris,
Annonce peut-être les prix après.
Jim, and Ciruso. Ciruso?
Oui, Ciruso.
Ciruso? Ciro. Okay, nice.
We have a surprise.
Yes, we have a surprise for the
big winner.
For the vainqueur, for the gagnant. You are three. Ils sont trois en tout. You are three in total. Hop. Quatre. Who's the last one? C'est qui? Antoine. Oh là là, fort. If I find the last one.
On faisait pas gagner les ambiguës.
Ah,
But-
on va tout faire à gagner.
Chorizo. Chorizo et Julien.
Julien, tu... Ah ouais.
Congratulations. And
This is your prize. Thank you very much.
come with us for a selfie. And your prize.
All of them?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Belgium products.
Who was the others who had 11 points?
Ah, there are some.
Mais...
No, I can share. Jerry, one more photo.
One more photo.
Okay.
And find all of accessibility improvement for Plone 6 Classic on our GitHub. Thank you.
Thank you.